Merry Christmas. When this video gets released, it'll be Christmas Eve 2025. And the Christmas season in general is a beautiful time of year where we contemplate and think about things a little bit differently as individuals, as families, and in our communities. And whether or not you celebrate Christmas specifically, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. It's a season that's dear to my heart. It's a holiday that's important to me and my faith. And so I want to get a little bit personal with you for a moment. So a huge theme of my work and the things that I'm about, and really the purpose that I try and assign to my life. In fact, right behind me is a document that has my own personal purpose statement. I'm going to read this so I make sure to get it right. My purpose is to grow my light so that I can be a light in the world to help others see their value and limitless potential. When I coach, when I train, when I lead workshops and retreats and everything that I do, I'm helping to grow the amount of light in the world. A few years ago, I had kind of discovered this theme of light, and my wife gave me a beautiful gift of this lighthouse that I keep in my office to remind me that that's kind of the role that I'm trying to play a little bit. But I can't think about the concept of light without thinking about Jesus Christ. The scriptures, the Bible teaches that He is the light of the world. And any light that I give and am able to have inside of myself is because of Him. And so during this season of giving and receiving and the many things that we have to be grateful for, I hope you can feel a little bit of His light and His love in your life, because that's what it's all about. I've got my nativity right behind me as a reminder of His birth and His sacrifice and everything that He means to me personally. And I hope you can feel some of that love as well. Thanks so much for being here. Merry Christmas, and I hope to see you soon.